You have less time? Don't worry. This is the most time-saving hairstyle. Wow, it's called brick braids fringe hairstyle. It's so protective. In fact, if you're looking for a protective hairstyle, this is one of them. Yes, and it's very time saving. It takes less than an hour. Look at this amazing beautiful hairstyle. I just did it out of the salon. I was in the field. Look at it. It didn't even make an hour. It was done. It is so protective. Do your braids just like this, of course. You can use any braid you want. Here, this is the braid I used. I used passion twisty braids and I did my boxes just like that. I just put a little extension as long as it could help me to hold it above, and in the middle up here the around the skull part, I put the cornrows, and on my cornrows I created my curls. Look at how amazing this was or is. After putting my curls, I made sure I trimmed them in a way that was so desirable for me. By the way, I am JK, the CEO of Hair Crown UG, and of course, a professional hair stylist. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and share this video to your loved ones. You should copy this kind of hairstyle, or these kind of hairstyles that are so protective in case you have weak hair. I started with this client of mine, and right now our hair has grown up because I have been only uh, doing protective hairstyles. She's so proud of me. Of course, I can't forget all my viewers in different countries all over the world. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, for keeping up with me, and of course, a lot more is coming. That is every day, or actually every day. I'll be uploading a video. I've been resting something like some little time. I haven't been uploading tutorials, but right now I'm back. Endeavor to subscribe, endeavor to share, and endeavor to keep up with me. Don't forget the notification bell. Yes, of course, this is called brick braids fringe hairstyles. It is very easy for you, and if you're a new learner, just copy the techniques or the basics I use in this hairstyle, and you're gonna really like it. Of course, I was forgetting to talk about these curls, but you just have to be creative. You can there are a lot of different type of braids that you can get curls out of. I got my curls out of Gina Spring, of course. I used my oil and I separated them to the small size that I wanted. As you can see, the size I'm using here, and I made sure they're so neat and negotiated them, and afterwards I have to trim them to bring out the picture that I want. I'm signing out for today. See you tomorrow in my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and to click on the notification bell. I love you so much. I am JK again. Bye bye. See you.